It is a beautiful day here in Lakeland, Florida, and what's even more beautiful is this Hulbert home behind me. 5-bedroom pool home in immaculate condition. All the upgrades you can imagine, a great design with this home. You're gonna love how it's situated and then all the little things it's got. Let's go take a look. All right, so let's go take a look at this beautiful Hulbert home. Thank you so much to John and Dava from Coldwell Banker for allowing me to film this beautiful listing. And I am certain that the nice homeowners are super excited about this, this Hulbert home. So 5-bedroom, 3-bath pool home. So Eagle Brook is Southeast Lakeland, and you can see this is a really, really nice section of Eagle Brook. When you first go in, you're going to take a left, and you can see a lot of these are the larger, newer homes. Very quiet street. Now, with a Hulbert home, so many upgrades are just standard, including the pavers as you walk up. So notice the landscaping. It's got really nice, the roof is what they call a lot of hip parts of the roof, which is beautiful. Large front doors. So we're going to go in and take a look at the design and the layout and see everything that it has to offer. So you can see beautiful entrance, real wood floors, crown molding, massive living room. So this is really a 3-bedroom split plan. Really high ceilings, absolutely stunning. So this is really nice because you have a dining area in this home and a kitchen nook, but look at the attention to details with this Hulbert home. All right, so when you first come in, you can see right here, you have an office / 5th bedroom, however you'd like to work this. They're using it here as an office. Let me take you into the main part of the home, and then we're going to come back and kind of look how it's all laid out. Beautiful kitchen. Absolutely stunning. Love these cabinets, countertops. You can see all the details, the tile backsplash, even designed. Range hood. Even have some different cabinets where you can see through, which is really pretty. Stainless appliances. The wood floors are running throughout here. And then this is kind of where you're hanging out. This is where you live. A lot of natural light coming in this home, which is really pretty because you've got sliders here, windows, a French door, and then more windows. So it's really nice and open. So you can keep your barometer straight, let's go back to the entrance, and we're going to take a left. This is the primary suite. Okay, and you can see it's really big. And again, sliding glass doors overlooking the beautiful pool, wood floors. How'd you like to wake up every morning and see this view? We're going to see more of that in just a minute. Every detail has been thought of. So you've got 2 walk-in closets. The one on the right is the larger one. And you can see it goes way back here and very high. And then this one's just got some storage in it, but it is a walk-in closet, not quite as big as that one. Linen closet here to the left. It's got the granite countertops, beautiful cabinets, tub, separate shower. It's in really great condition. Everything is very well taken care of. And Hulbert Home, if you take care of them, they just last. So you can see all the details with this, and then the natural light coming in here, and the windows higher for privacy. Toilet room area, you can see the higher doors, which is again a nice upgrade. Again, the wood floors, and then it comes right into the ceramic tile for the wet areas or the bathrooms, and it's going to be the laundry room, probably so. We'll see that in just a second. All the little arches cut out. This is one of my favorite floor plans for so many reasons. So let's do this. We're going to now go to the right. That's a kitchen pantry. 3-car garages this way, and here's the laundry room. Nice laundry room, more storage on the right, closet. It does have the laundry sink. Really pretty cabinets. Look at this. I mean, just everything's been well thought of. I love the dark color too. It's not too dark, it's not too light. It's very classy looking. A large area here. So I don't know if you can tell from video, but you can just put storage, store things underneath here. Big folding area. This is where all your internet cables are. So you can put your modem, your router in there. That's gonna be for your alarm system, FYI. And I did not even open this up, but I'm gonna give you a quick glance into this garage just because. So big 3-car garage, and they're moving. That's the reason there's boxes here. Pull down attic stairs. I'll kick it around here because here's one thing I love, a good old service door. I get teased about this, but I love a service door because you don't have to open up the garage door every time you want to go outside and waste all that. You could just pop right out there for a walk. So it looks like it does have your water softener system. There's your hot water heater, so on and so forth. So let's keep moving. All right, so coming into the kitchen, another thing to note is the beautiful different colors they did in the cabinets. Very pretty. You can see this, love all the scripture everywhere in the home. Crown molding, they've got some built-in speakers here I see. We're gonna go to the right. Now here is 2 bedrooms and 1 bath. By the way, one of my favorite scriptures. Everything in Philippians is amazing. So let's go to the left. Big bedrooms, nice size. Got the Berber carpet in here. Good for wear and tear. And they did run the wood floors here for the, for the traffic area. And then this is a linen closet for this bathroom. Pretty mirror. And then this has the tub shower combination in it. Again, yeah, your ceramic tile flooring. And then they've even got little designs in the tile here. Nothing has been left out with this home. Even notice with the Hulbert Homes, you get the paneled doors. And these are nice, heavy doors too. So they're not your cheapies. They're really, really nice. Again, another big bedroom here. Closet in the far end of the bedroom. By the way, great little area to put bar stools. Just want to point that out. And then this is really pretty too. More storage, can't get enough storage. Nice entertainment center area. Put your TV up there and then your fireplace. Again, you've got views from the pool from all the main rooms. And then this is heading into the back of the home. So again, what's nice about this is if you want privacy back here, maybe you've got guests or a teenager, because they like to kind of be by themselves once in a while, whatever you'd want, or just kind of close that pocket door off, because here you've got a bathroom and a bedroom. So it's really nice for a guest suite or more privacy or just whatever you want to use it for, an office. Again, this is Berber carpet, big bedroom, like the corner windows, lots of natural light, even a little area tucked in over there to put a dresser or what have you. Linen closet. And this has a nice little walk-in shower. The same granite and cabinets as the other one, framed mirrors. And this one you can just step right in to your shower. It has really been well taken care of. You can tell. I can always tell in the bathroom areas when you look at tile, grout lines, the bottom. Again, it's wear and tear, but this home has been really well taken care of. It shows. All right, so that gives you an idea of that. Let's go out and look at the nice pool area. I think I've showed you about everything else, and let's head out here because it is a gorgeous day here in Lakeland, Florida. How can you not love this view right here? Oh, my goodness. Looks like they've done some nice sealing on the pavers. They look really nice. Kitchen area over here. Plenty of room for furniture. Pool's in great condition. Nice sized backyard with privacy. And how about this little area? This is great. Get speakers over here. Looks like they've got a TV, got some protection over that. But again, put some additional furniture up here. And then the backyard is nice for privacy. They've got some shrubs for privacy. And then again, even nothing behind it, which is great. Absolutely stunning. It's a fantastic home. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of this beautiful Hulbert home. If you have any questions or any other comments or thoughts you'd like about this home or anything else, I would love to help you out. My name is Brian Stevens. I'm with eXp Realty. Have a great day. Remember, whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian. Hey, thank you for joining me on this gorgeous home tour. I still just want to stay out here because it's so pretty. If you'd like information on this particular home, although it's already sold, I want you to get an idea of the floor plan in this gorgeous area. But if you want to see other homes in Central Florida, all my information is below. Contact me. Let's connect. Myself or my team would love to help. And thanks so much. God bless. Have a great day.